Hello everyone, welcome to the How to Create a Cover Letter using ChatGPT. We're going to start off first by visiting LinkedIn. We're going to select on Jobs and we're going to scroll down to Remote Jobs. And let's say, for example, you're interested in this position. You would, of course, go and review the position. We start our selection here, we scroll down, hold the Shift key, click the mouse at the end of this sentence, and now you have everything selected. Right-click your mouse and select Copy. So now we'll log into ChatGPT. I'm going to select Continue with Google, and I'm going to select my AI teacher account. At this point, we can begin by selecting a resume to upload. The resume can be either in PDF or Word format. We'll select the Word format. It'll take a minute to upload, and now your resume is in the memory of ChatGPT. We're going to start off with a basic prompt. This prompt states, write a cover letter for me based on my attached resume and the following job description. Here's the job description that we selected earlier, and I'm going to select the text that's currently in the brackets. I'm going to select paste and then submit. And right below is a cover letter that is unique to your resume plus unique to the job role, saving you a ton of time. Now if you want, you can start to do things like revise and shorten. And what it'll do is it'll take the cover letter just provided and it'll make it shorter and more concise. If you are happy with what you have and you would like to edit it now, you can just select it, copy it, select Microsoft Word, paste into your Microsoft Word. And at this point, you can edit the document the way you want, and congratulations, you've used ChatGPT, your own resume, and a job ad with the assistance of AI to create a really good custom cover letter. Thanks for watching.